It's Phyzeek here with the gym, about to get some work in. We're doing T-bar row, doing some upper body, some lower body. It's gonna be a fun exercise. I'm really excited for this shoot. I'm gonna try some new stuff that I've never tried before. My main man Finn is here, so it's gonna be dope. Let's go.
It's great.
always lie to me, but never tell me the truth. Yeah, anyways though, so I'm about to do some push-ups. I normally do 100 push-ups whenever I want to do my upper body, just to kind of warm up my body. I try to time myself, so I try to do 100 push-ups under 2 minutes. Sometimes I do good, sometimes I don't, but it's fun. So let's get it.